Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, so let me introduce myself. I am Bhumi Gupta and I am currently studying at IIM Rohtak and I will be there in June. And as a second year student, of course, like I have completed my first year and I am here in Bangalore for my internship. This video isn't just about what I'm doing, it's about the journey, the process, the lessons, a few truth bombs which no one tells you when you are starting your journey. So if you are about to join in an internship or you are currently in an internship, so this video is for you. Let's start how I even got here. I remember the first few weeks at IIM Rock. So happening, so much new faces, crazy competitions, club committees process and what not. There's this constant buzz of placements, internships from the day one. Like people were telling like we'll get internship here, we'll get internship there and so on so on. And the process starts right at when you join a particular institute or college and that's where the competition starts. I was juggling case competitions, academics, resume building sessions, networking, all while trying to figure out what I can actually do to build myself. The pressure was real, not gonna lie. There were moments of self-doubt. I also realized that this phase teaches you one thing, that is resilience. Like how much you how much you take those things into your own life and reflect what you learn, what you observe. Let me show you some clips. So after months of preparations, rejections, feedbacks, improvements, I finally landed at. I'll tell you about the company once I finish my internship. Okay? The day. Sorry for the noise. The day I got the offer, I was like, chalo, like finally I got an offer because there were a lot of rejections. I think because it was because of my graduation marks. I was happy, not just because of the brand or the role, but the final outcome that I got because of my hard work, the efforts that I've put in preparations and all of those things. So it was a great feeling when I got selected finally. The name was on the mail, like this. But let me tell you, getting an internship is just a beginning. The real game starts after it when you join it and when you perform your tasks. That is the main thing in your whole journey. Like how much you learn there. Cut to day one. I'm in a new city, new people, new environment, trying to understand the vibe. And trust me, no classrooms, no case competitions prepares you for this whole journey. My role is like a marketing and finance analyst. I have to analyze the marketing operations of the company and also the financial operations, basically how is it going and how it can improve for marketing as well. I was doing competitive research, branding and profile portfolio and whatnot. There are a lot of things that I can tell you. This video will be pretty short if I tell you what I am doing currently because I'll tell you later why this is so. Like there is no proper role which I can say you like this is my role. I have been like I'm doing everything kind of like I'm learning different things and from this I can actually see how proper learning, how proper things like that we have learned in our classrooms can be applied in a real life scenario. And yes, there were days that I had no clue that what to do, bhai. Like they have given some task and I was like, what to do right now. So there are days, there will be days, but at the end we have to see that we have to figure out what we have learned, how to improve those learnings in like by applying those theories in the real life scenarios and then get insights of what is it about. But here's the thing, I asked questions, many questions and many questions, and you can also do that because asking questions gives you a leverage of like getting to know more. So here are a few things that I learned during my internship, and someone could have told you before joining an internship, could have told me before joining an internship, but no one did. But I am telling you guys, if you are gonna join your internship in the next year, or you are in an internship right now, so you can so look at these points. First of all is, you don't need to know everything. It's okay to ask questions, and a person who's asking questions shows curiosity in their task, and this is not a bad thing at all. Second, people values clarity and communication. As much as you communicate, as much as you clarify your doubts, gives the signal to the person that you are interested in that work and you want to learn from that work. So this is also not a bad thing to clarify or to communicate. Third thing, your network is your worth. You have to create connections, you have to make connections with the people surrounding you, your manager, everything that you learn in a day, and your feedbacks, your improvement feedbacks, what you should do next, and all those things, so that you can improve by yours. Fourth thing is document of it. Every email, presentation, each document that you made, build a document, separate document for that. It helps during evaluations and boost your confidence. This internship made me realize, like, in MBA is not about class, lectures and all those things. It's about real life experiences. It's about how you think, how you collaborate, how you show up every single day. I still have long way to go, but this experience has given me a better sense of what I want, how I work under pressure, what environment I thrive in. So if you are about to start an internship, go for it, believe in yourself. So if this video helped you or gives you a little perspective, do hit a like, share it with your intern gang, and subscribe for more honest content about these school internships and more. Hey, drop a comment below about your internship and all the experiences, all the doubts you have, everything. I'll read all of them, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.